Have you ever uploaded a video that you genuinely believe was good, but YouTube barely showed your video to anyone? Many creators think YouTube is ignoring them, but the truth is more complicated. In this video, I will show you why good content often gets ignored and what you can do about it. One of the biggest myths on YouTube is that good videos automatically get views, but that's not how YouTube works. In every minute, thousands of videos are being uploaded here on YouTube. YouTube doesn't know your videos are good until viewers start giving a positive signal. There are four signals that YouTube often gets. I will explain it. Number one signals YouTube often look out for is click. If people don't click on your thumbnails, then YouTube will assume that your videos are not interesting, just as this thumbnail is showing on my screen. Then number two is nothing but watch time. If viewers leave quickly while watching your videos, this will give YouTube a negative signal, just as this audience retention graph showing on my screen. Then number three signal is nothing but satisfaction, such as likes, comments, subscriptions, and returning viewers. This will tell YouTube that actually people enjoyed watching your videos or your content. Then lastly, number four signal is nothing but audience match. YouTube needs to find the right viewers for your videos. If YouTube shows your videos to the wrong audience, then this will automatically drop your audience performance on your videos. Now, this is my own experience. This is where one of the videos I uploaded last gave me impressions but few views. At first, I thought YouTube was ignoring my videos, but when I checked the analytics, I realized that YouTube had actually tested the video. The challenge now is for me to get viewers to keep clicking and watching. What creators should focus on asking instead of asking why YouTube is ignoring them is, ask yourself these questions. Would I click if this wasn't my thumbnail or my video? In the next 30 seconds, will people keep watching my videos? And am I solving any problem? YouTube is not necessarily ignoring your videos. Most of the time, it is just testing them. Your job is to improve the signals YouTube receives. Better titles, stronger thumbnails, and higher viewer retention can completely change how your videos perform. In my next video, I will review 3 mistakes that actually or completely affect click-through rates and stop viewers from clicking. Make sure you watch my next video and do not forget to like, comment, put the notification bell on and subscribe on my channel. See you in my next video.